Well, hello, it's John Neal here. It's Thursday the 4th of September 2025 and here it is, Nuneaton's newest secondary school, the Higham Lane North Academy.
I would walk for miles in the hope of seeing your face.
I think they're called Northern Stars, it says up there, which is quite nice. I've done a handful of videos about this using the drone to have a look at the development and the building of this school, and I presume this is, well, it won't be the last one maybe, but it's finished and there are children inside, there are staff inside, and they've started to use it, so it's a good day. Let's go and have a look. So while we're up in the air, I thought you might like to travel west and go and have a look at the development along towards the Weddington Road. And they seem to be getting on with quite a lot of building of houses here. I think that's going to be called Top Farm Lane, Top Farm Road, one or the other. Makes sense. And then if we turn round and head back towards Higham Lane, over the school again, and we can have a look at the development of the new houses they've built here, many of which look to be completed. And there's Higham Lane Junction with Top Farm Lane and Caesar Drive, and there's a fair amount of green left, much of which I understand would be playing fields for the secondary school. I did make notice before that these new houses here have got solar panels built in to the roofs. Very clever idea. Well, it's not clever, I think it's quite sensible. Well, there you have it, the Higham Lane North Academy in all its glory. Now it's finished and occupied. There's only one year group in at the moment, and I think they'll make their way through, and so the school will grow bigger year by year. And I wish them all the very best. And maybe I'll go back and film it again later when it's developed even more. But meanwhile, that's it for now, and you will see me in the next one. Okay, bye bye.